Hello and welcome again to Next Level Arabic. In today's video, we will talk about 4 letters and we will see are they challenging to write. So let's get started. Last letter we studied was Sheen, and the letter after is Sad, Sa, Sa. This letter, it's like in the main shape, it looks like eclipse, then we have a curve. Some people find it challenging to pronounce, even though it's just, you can visualize it. It's close to Seen, it's the same like Se, but we use the void of the mouth to pronounce this letter. So it will be Sa, Sa, Sa. Okay. In the initial position, it's just the eclipse, then we add this small kind of, we call it teeth, then we straighten the letter. In the middle position, it's the same like beginning but with linking arm from this side, and in the ending position it's either connected or separated. And now your turn to read the word, then read it one more time with looking at the Arabic. Sakhra, Sakhra. Second word, your turn. Asir, Asir. Third word, your turn. Raqs, Raqs. So the first word is rock, the second word is juice, and the third is dance. Okay, let's check the first one. Which letters do you recognize? Right, we have the Sa, Kha, and Ra. Second word, we have Sa and Ra. Third word, we already know Ra and Sa. Okay, now next letter in this group is Da. It looks exactly the same but with one dot above, and the way that we pronounce it, it's same like D but with a full mouth. It's thicker than D. It's Da, Da. Same approach in the beginning, just the eclipse, then kind of teeth, then we straighten the letter. In the middle, same like beginning but with linking arm from the other side. And in the end, it's either connected or separated. Now your turn to read the first word. Daw, Daw. Your turn, second word, then look at it in Arabic. Khudar, Khudar. Third word, your turn. Baid, Baid. Okay, check this word. Which letters you're familiar with? Correct. Kha, Da, A, and Ra. Last word, which letters do you recognize? Right, Be and Da. Okay, next letter is Ta, Ta. It looks a bit different. It has the eclipse shape, but instead of curve, it has just a stick here. And this letter looks almost the same in every position. The way that we pronounce it, it's close to T but with also thicker kind of sound. So it will be Ta, Ta. We use the void of the mouth, Ta. Okay. In the first or initial position, we just extend a bit this arm here. In the middle, the same like beginning but with linking arm from the other side. And in the end, it's either connected or separated. It's your turn to read the first word, then look at it in Arabic. طيارة طيارة. Second word, your turn. فطر. فطر. Third word, your turn. بط. بط. Okay. Then we have the. The. It's like th in there, but also thicker. The. The. It looks exactly like ta, but with one dot above. So in the main shape and initial middle, it looks almost the same. And now it's your turn to read the first word. ظل. ظل. Second word, your turn. مظلة. مظلة. Third word, your turn. حظ. حظ. Do you recognize any letters in this word? Correct. We have the ha and the. Okay, that's all for today's video. See you in the next one.